Hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is MUVMarteekah. If you do not know who I am, shame on you. No. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on none other than Janet Jackson. She has a new song out and it's called Made for Now. And if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So this is this primer that I wanted to try. I forget, I think it's Fresh. Someone gave it to me, Jocelyn, so I can try it. So I'm just trying it out because we're looking for the ultimate primer. Some color corrector. If you don't know, or if you haven't already noticed, I kind of have a different setup right now. It's gonna sound like I'm inside a box or a vortex because I'm trying something new. So if something falls, it's just gone. It's gone until I'm done. I always get a pimple right there, right at the base of my eyebrows. It's the most annoying thing ever, and I'm just having a crazy hormone month. That is that. So it looked like she's matte, but she's very luminous. So I'm gonna use the Wonder Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash, the Wonder Glow. I wanted to try the Super Stay 24-hour foundation by Maybelline. I got it in the color Warm Coconut, which is $3.56. And I've tried it maybe like one other time, or maybe twice. But I've never tried it on camera, so I wanted to see what this would look like today. This was supposed to be my tan color, but apparently it's not. Either it's gonna oxidize down or it's just not. But we keep moving, because you already know I never know how to pick the right color. All right, so this is the Instant Age This is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and this is a color Golden Doré. All right, and then I'm just gonna set this really quickly with some primer water. Like, if I don't do makeup for a few days, I feel like I completely forgot how to apply makeup. This is the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Deep Dark, and I'm going to take the darkest shade, I guess the deep part. It just looks very blotchy and dark here. It just looks like a stain versus a contour. All right, and then I'll just set the rest of my face with the Sasha. You know, I get rarely aggravated sometimes while I'm filming, and it's because I don't think you guys understand how much goes on while I'm filming, and I want to be like happy-go-lucky and like super excited, and sometimes I just can't translate that on the camera because I'm just that aggravated. And I feel like whenever I don't do makeup for a while, I kind of forget how to do the makeup, and I'm just like, you can like see me going through the steps in my head, and I'm like, I don't understand. This should come so naturally to me, and it just doesn't. Okay, and then when you put it on with a powder puff, it's just obviously more product. Yeah, I don't know how they do it. These beauty girls, they just make it look like so easy. They're like, yeah, you just slap it on, no problem. I'm like, yeah, okay. Not a fan. I'd rather do it with a beauty blender. But I try different things just to see what absolutely works for me. And I think my application differs based on my mood sometimes, based off of what I really want to do. So then I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Now let me take a look. She has a pretty natural eyebrow. Now I'll keep posting like here what I'm actually looking at, a screenshot of what I'm looking at, so that you'll see what my frame of reference was. I'm gonna put some concealer on my lids so I can just start doing my eyes, and then I'll use that to sculpt along with this, which is the Brow Gal highlighter pencil in gold and nude. In the last video, I followed a Patrick Star tutorial, or the second to last video, and he was using wet concealer to make sure that the colors popped. So I'm getting very varied responses on this. Some people are like, set it so that it can pop. Some people are like, don't set it so that it will pop. I'm not too sure. Both times I feel like either I have the lightest, most daintiest touch ever, or I'm just not doing it properly. So I'm just gonna try it again with wet concealer, because she does have a lot of like bright colors on her. I mean, it's just green, but it's like varying greens. All right, so this is my Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette. So I wanted to see if I can use this for varying things. One, for the concealer. I'll talk about that shit later. Okay, so I'm gonna use the color Spice. Oh, maybe I should take the plastic off. Yep, never got a chance to take pictures of this one either. So I'm gonna use the color Spice. And I'm gonna use that, of course, as my transition color. So I have the Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I saw this color here, which I thought was very reminiscent of the color that I see all over her lid. Now that I've made the line, I'll go back in with my, I think this is the 217, my MAC. Right, then I'm gonna go in with a deeper green. It's a deeper green. You see this green here, it almost looks like black, but it's green. So this is from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. From that same palette, I'm gonna put Ultraviolet, which is this color right here. I believe it's Ultraviolet. And then I'll just slap this all over. Oh my goodness, my child is calling me. So I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. So I finished off the other eye, and then I also put some black liner. So I used the matte and NYX matte liner, and then I went over it with the, what the fuck is this? I'm sure this is something I got from somewhere. It's called Stilly Style Line and Seal Semi-Permanent Eyeliner in the shade Maine ELS 016. I'm sorry. Girl, gotta get my glasses. Marine. Okay, so in the color Marine. And I just went over it. I don't know if you can see, it's not much. And now I'm gonna dust off the bottom, and I just tried to go over this just a little bit. And I had to put some more banana powder just in case there was some fallout, but that was my fault. I didn't tap the brush and it just got all over the place. So for the bottom eye, I'm gonna use the Absolute Starry Eyed Shimmer Liquid Eyeliner in the color Starlight. So then there's this Hypnotized palette, and they have all these shimmery colors. So I'm gonna pop this color in there. Oop, this color in there, just to help it out just a little bit more. So we had a little mishap, but whatever. We fix it, y'all. Let me tell you, I am trying, okay? I'm trying. Y'all don't even understand what I got going on here, okay? There's insulation all over because I saw Yuki and she said she got it from somebody else. And I was like, you know what? Let me try that. And then now I have this different setup and shit. Y'all, I'm out here trying on a budget. Not a budget, bitch, but a budget, okay? Listen, so we lost some of the lighting, but we just got some of it back, you see? So now you can really see the colors. Yeah, so Starry Eyed, Absolute, went in with Neptune and Starlight. And then I went into, oh yeah. So when I get a frog, I try to like ride it out as long as possible. Do you try to ride a frog out as long as possible? I do. I don't, because it's like a different voice. So I'm going to try to ride this frog out as long as possible, all right? And then I went into with this color, and obviously there's no colors here, but this is the Pinky Rose Hypnotize palette. I like this voice right here. I'm going to keep it. I'm back. All right. So, okay. So then the rest of it is just some more contour, just like, and then lip, and then I'm going to put that mole right there, and then I'm going to take some pictures. So, y'all already know. Hi. I'm back. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it. I decided to, do this a little bit. I just like shoved my hair into this hat. I've never been able to wear this hat, but this hat is very special to me. It belongs to someone that is not here anymore, and I always thought it was an amazing looking hat, and I was able to acquire it from, her daughter, and I love it. And I'm like, how can I use this hat? And I just kept it here, and then I saw this video, and I was like, perfect. Yeah. So, if you have found any value in anything that you've seen today, please let me know. Comment below. And call to action, of course, is let me know, guys. What is it that you want to see? I'm just trying to engage. I'm just trying to give you content that you want to see. Like, what do you want to see? I'm just going to assume that whatever it is that I'm posting is sufficient, because I haven't been really getting much comments, which is kind of scary. But I know that this is the beginning for me, and that, I'm just gonna have to power through somehow. Okay, so cannot leave you guys without saying de-stress. Oh, wait, before I go, also, I put on some lashes, obviously. Okay, and then I put on the bottom lash, because she had like one bottom lash there. And then I added this on. I don't know if I said that. Yeah. So that's it. So I cannot leave you guys without saying de-stress and be blessed, girl. Bye. I just push it.